I'm gonna show you how I made the last side of my puzzle box, a small shelf that can be locked by a servo on the back. Let's get started. I'm gonna use the same technique as in part 1 and 2 to cut a hole in the wood for the shelf. And, of course, there will be a parts list in the description. I'm gonna use Blender to design all the models and Cura to then print them. If you're not interested in how I designed all of this, you can skip to 250. Links to download all the models will of course be in the description. As you can see, both parts printed perfectly. The only problem is that I forgot to model a hole for the button. And because I want to waste the least plastic possible, I'm just going to drill a hole instead of printing it again. I'm gonna insert the button just far enough so the shelf can still be fully pushed in, but it also pushes the button. Then I'll also solder 2 wires to the button and glue it all in place with some epoxy. As you can see, when I push the shelf in, the LED lights up, indicating it works. Now I can insert the print into the wood. Unfortunately, I had to make 2 holes for the servo holders. Luckily, I found a way to completely hide it. I made this part mostly to be able to hide the 2 holes at the top, but this way the LEDs are also perfectly evenly placed. I drilled 4 holes for the LEDs above the shelf part. They fit in perfectly, so now it's time to glue them in place with some epoxy. Now for a servo, I'm first going to screw the arm. Is that what it's called? I have no idea. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm going to screw that in place. Then I'm going to put it in place by drilling 2 holes in the servo holders and screwing it to the print. It's a very simple system, but as you can see, it couldn't work any better. Now for the switch, just drill a hole next to the 4 LEDs and screw it into the wood. And for a DC jack, just use a bigger drill and a file. It takes pretty long and you need quite some patience, but in the end it should fit. I forgot to film this, but you should of course also glue it in place. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like and consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it.